If you go for a walk every day, in a year you'll change your life, preferably in nature. Japan is doing a ton of research into this, and what they're finding is that walking in nature helps to balance the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous systems and buffer the brain against the deleterious effects of cortisol. So cortisol itself, inherently is not bad, right? Like any other hormone is just not bad. In excess, of course, it can be. But going for that walk is unbelievable at helping to de-stress.